What we call emptiness, dharmakaya, is the heart practice of all the gurus and accomplished siddhas. It is the wisdom mind of all the Buddhas of the past, present and future, the life vein of all yidam deities, the heart blood of all dakinis, the supporting abode of all dharma-protectors, the essence of all sutras and tantras, and the refined quintessence of all the secret mantras and vidya mantras. It is Mahamudra, Madhyamaka and Dzogchen combined into a single teaching, introducing the indivisibility of the dharmakaya and one's own mind. It is knowing the one thing that liberates all. It is the universal, king-like solution. It is the great seal Mahamudra of reality. When realized in the morning, it brings enlightenment in the morning. When realized at night, it brings enlightenment at night.